Ladies and gentlemen, we got a prize fight on our hands today. We got the Chase Freedom Flex going up against the Chase Freedom Unlimited. These cards are kind of similar, but at the same point in time, I do got a couple things that are different about them. So I'm going to let you know what those things are. So sit back, get your popcorn ready, and cue the intro. What is up, YouTube? This is your boy Lawan, back at it again with another video. And today we're going to be talking about the Chase Freedom Flex, and it's going up against the Chase Freedom Unlimited. Guys, these are two of Chase's best no annual fee cards on the market right now. So we're going to break them down and going head to head. Let's see who come out as the winner, all right? And if you're new to my channel, we do go over personal finance, credit cards, business credit, all those good things. So if they interest you in any way, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel and go ahead and hit that bell for notifications as well, so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. And go ahead and like this video up for me. Turn that like notification blue so YouTube knows this video is good. So guys, as I usually do, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the sign up bonuses for both of these cards. All right, let's see who comes out on top. Now, they are very similar. Both of them do have a $200 bonus offer after you spend $500 in the first 3 months. Now, with Chase, as we know, guys, or if you don't know, they do give you this in the form of Chase UR points. It'll be 20,000 Chase UR points with both of these sign-up offers. Now, you can use that for traveling if you want to, or you can use it for cash back, up to you. Next, with both of these cards, you are going to get 5% back on groceries up to $12K and spend in the first year of having this card as part of the sign up bonus. And again, this is for both of these cards. All right, guys, so this is something new that Chase has added. They've really kind of been going crazy with adding grocery perks and multipliers and credits to a lot of their cards, which is good. Obviously, we got a pandemic going on. People aren't traveling as much as they usually do at the moment. So this is good on Chase's part. And also, both of these cards are going to get a 0% APR offer for up to 15 months. Now, we're going to go ahead and get into the multipliers for both of these cards, guys. They are very similar in this aspect as well. They both get 5% on travel through the Chase Travel Portal. They both get 3% on drugstore purchases. They both get 3% on dining, and they both get 5% with Lyft. All right, so that's where they're all similar at. We're gonna go ahead and let you know where they're different. With the Freedom Flex, you do get 5% rotating categories that change every single quarter. So guys, if you already had the Freedom, the basic Chase Freedom card back in the day, this is kind of taking the place of that. All right, you're gonna get those rotating categories every single quarter, and it is up to $1,500 in spend per quarter. All right, now with the Freedom Unlimited, guys, you are going to get 1.5% on all non-category spend. All right, now guys, we are going to go ahead and get into the additional benefits that both of these cards do have. First and foremost, they both have purchase protection and they both have extended warranty, guys. All right, now the Freedom Flex, this is honestly, in my opinion, really good. You're gonna get cell phone protection. All right, it's going to be $800 per claim. Now it is up to $1,000 per calendar 12-month year. All right, so do remember that. But again, $800 per claim, and it's a $50 deductible on that. All right, guys, so just with having this card, again, no annual fee on this one, guys. You can go ahead and kind of lessen your load on your cell phone bill if you are paying for additional protection for losing your phone, stuff like that. I know that could be anywhere from $11, $12, $13, $14 for these additional insurances on your cell phone bill. So that is saving you money right there if you want to utilize that with this card. Now, I do want to give you my thoughts, personal thoughts on both of these cards. In my opinion, guys, I mean, you cannot go wrong with either one of these cards. They both have no annual fees. They have very similar multipliers, but here is where it gets a little different, or it just depends on what type of person you are. Now, if you are going for the maximum amount of Chase UR points that you could possibly get, Now this also depends on your spend, but again, if you're going for the maximum amount of UR points that you can get, guys, I would definitely lean towards the Freedom Flex, because if you can go ahead and capitalize on those category spins, the rotating categories that the Freedom Flex has, guys, you can definitely out earn the Freedom Unlimited that way if you can maximize those categories. Now, you do have a lot of people that don't want to even think about doing something like that. These categories do change every couple of months, and there could be 2 to 3 different categories per quarter on each one of these. So it could be a little cumbersome to trying to remember what category you're in and what qualifies for the 5%. So, you know, that is something to think about if you think you wouldn't be able to do that or not, you know, be on it enough to maximize it. So do think about that, guys. As far as the Freedom Unlimited is concerned, in my opinion, again, if you are more simple, if you don't care about that type of stuff, if you just want it to be simple and, you know, just straightforward, I definitely would lean more towards the Freedom Unlimited, guys, because that 1.5% on everything is just so simple, so easy. You don't have to think about it. If it's not dining, if it's not drugstore purchases, hey, you get 1.5% cash back. Nothing to think about, nothing to worry about. It's that simple with that. Plus, if you are more on the traveling side, not that you can't utilize the Freedom Flex, but with the Freedom Unlimited, you do get those protections as far as the trip cancellation, and you also get the secondary auto insurance. So that is something to think about as well with the Freedom Unlimited, guys. My personal opinion on this, I have the Freedom Unlimited. Haven't decided yet if I want to get the Freedom Flex, but it is a very good card. But again, guys, if you are simple, I definitely would suggest the Freedom Unlimited. If you are going for more points, get the Freedom Flex, guys, because you can really maximize those 5% categories and just continue to earn these UR points, and you want to stack them up. One thing I do want to mention, guys, really quickly is, you know, if you want to use the cash back, by all means, but guys, if you are looking to build your chase ladder as far as cards are concerned, I would definitely hold on to the sign-up bonus points that you get with these cards, or the points that you earn through just regular spin. I definitely would hold on to those points, guys. If you plan on getting the Sapphire Reserve down the line, if you plan on getting the Sapphire Preferred down the line, these points will become more valuable once you get any one of those cards. All right, so definitely hold on to the points if you want to get the maximum value that you could get from those cards. Definitely do that. That'll help you out a lot. Now, there is a world, guys, where you could have both of these cards. It makes sense. If you're a person that doesn't care about having multiple credit cards, and you can kind of, you know, think about, or not, it's not too hard for you to think which card does what in what situation or what scenario, guys. It is perfectly acceptable in my opinion. I think it works great to have both of these cards. You have your rotating category spin on the Freedom Flex. You have the 1.5% cash back on the Freedom Unlimited, guys. So it actually works really good together. Plus, if you wanted to stagger them a little bit with the grocery store bonus that they have going on, you could get one card first and maybe hang on to that one for about I would say anywhere from 3 to 5 months, maybe, depending on if that deal is still going on. You do want to make sure of that. But if it does, hypothetically speaking, guys, you could stagger these out a couple months and stretch out your ability to earn 5% in the first year with the sign-up bonus on the grocery stores, guys. So do keep that in mind. But that is all I have for you today. Please stay safe out there, guys. Go ahead and like this video if you like everything I presented to you today. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for everybody that has subscribed so far. I'm going to continue to keep dropping fire content for you guys. And I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. This is Lawan checking up out of here. Peace.